Hello my viewers, hello YouTube, and welcome to another video. I made a video about this before and now I have a problem. The battery got stuck on the machine. It won't come off, all the way stuck. I tried everything, tried to bang it. What we're gonna do now is we're gonna take it apart and see if we can remove the battery from the machine. Now you might remember this PARKSIDE multi-tool, and you can see the model number here. I made a video about this before and now I have a problem. The battery got stuck on the machine. It won't come off, all the way stuck. I tried everything, tried to bang it. What we're gonna do now is we're gonna take it apart and see if we can remove the battery from the machine. Now I'm not sure if that's gonna work, but if I can do it, then you can do it. So let's get into that and take it apart. Now all the screws are out except one. Only the one at the battery won't come out. You can hardly see it. See if we can move the battery more now. That screw is still stuck. There it comes. It's on that side. No, it's not on that side. Because you can see the trigger is working fine. The other one. So I have no idea where it got stuck, because both of the sides work fine. You can see if I push the release button, it will go all the way down. It's all the way in. And when I push it, it totally comes free. So that's not the problem. Also remember, when you want to remove your battery, you only have to unscrew this back part. I did it all, but you only have to remove 4 screws here and then put some force on it. I'm gonna put it back together now. Too bad I couldn't find out what caused this problem. Now before I screw it back together, I will add the battery one more time. See if it comes out off now. Now it works. Pretty weird, right? So let's screw it back together. So the machine is back together, all screws are in, and the battery is all together. Let's see if it works again. And I fixed the problem. See? Now that was easy. Is it still working? And it's still working. Speed. Yep. Job done. So I couldn't see what caused the problem, but as you could see, it's coming off easy now. So we fixed the problem. I don't know how, just by taking the back part off. So if you need to release your battery, if your battery got stuck, you only have to unscrew these 4 screws and then split this part, and then the battery will come off. So I'm very happy I can use my battery on my other tools again. So then I was finally finished editing this video, and then I discovered what caused the problem. As you can see here, this got very hot and this melted between the machine and the battery. And that's the problem that caused that the battery was stuck on the machine. I hope I helped you out with this video. Please give it a like if you like this video, and subscribe to my channel for future videos. A lot of videos are coming, so thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in next video.